guys, quick site tour this morning before we pack up. So we're at Oxon Hall Touring Park, Shrewsbury. Just walk you around so you get a good idea about what this site's about. It's highly recommended, so I'll do that. Morning. So we'll start at the beginning. The beginning of it is actually site entrance, of course. Spin you around so you can have a look. We've got the motorhome service point, reception, and the shower block, toilets and shop. So walk up to the adult area, beautifully landscaped all the way around. Not a chance you won't see rabbits when you walk around here, because there's absolutely loads of them. Should be able to make them out down here. It's Rabbit City. Look at them run. There we go. We had a welcome committee by the ducks this morning, waiting for us to feed them right by our awning at 7 o'clock. Amazing. I'm going to keep walking around. You'll see how spectacular this site is. So a lovely little island there. This is the adults area, guys. And again, adult area around the back. Mixture of grass and hearthstone pitches all around the site. Full credit to them, it's absolutely perfectly looked after. Try and get a number of pictures on this site so you can get an idea. It must be well over 100. You can see back on ourselves now from reception. So again, that direction up to the adult area. Just may see the sign in the background. And this one takes you down to another service point and the children's playground area. And this site has static homes as well, so you'll be able to buy one if you wanted. Good price there. Morning. YouTube stars already. We'll walk down the side of our pitch around the back. You see the amount of grass behind us. Oh, Mr. Squirrel. What's he doing? Oh. Hello. I'm not going to frighten you. They're gorgeous. It's like a safari park, this place. Leave them to carry on, eating the remnants of the and you can see in the background there the shower block and the reception. This is beautiful. So that's a quick tour of the site, guys. I highly recommend you come. Shrewsbury's got something to offer for all as well. Park and ride right in front of the site, so you don't have to drive, don't have to worry about parking. And exceptionally friendly people here as well. So typically of the Morris Leisure sites, we've done a few now. Boston Mill, Ludlow, this one, Oxon Hall. So yeah, book again time. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks, guys.